44 Jawans in a Maoist hotbed were this morning ambushed by over 200 Maoists. There were 16 casualties, which included a civilian. But for the state and the centre, these numbers seem to be just plain statistics as another brutal attack hits Chhattisgarh. The apathy and the failure to tackle Maoist terror, even to have any political determination to deal with the subject, has ensured that as our Prime Minister prepares to leave office, he has made sure our men are just cannon fodder.
9 a.m. CRPF camp in Dornapal, Chhattisgarh. They knew it was going to be a long day ahead. Dressed in crisp uniforms and heavy boots, geared with rifles and ammunition, 44 CRPF personnel leave their camp for Kankapal. Minutes later, the road opening party with over 4 Jawans in each batch begin marching towards Cherum Ghati.
At around 10:30, some of them aboard in batches on jeeps spotted a truck set ablaze right in the middle of the road. Just as they got ready to inspect it, Maoists triggered an IED explosion and opened indiscriminate firing. Those who were actually following on foot were also fired upon in a very planned ambush by over 100 Maoists. The attack happening just 5 kilometers from the very spot where 26 Congress leaders were gunned down last year.
Outnumbered and outmaneuvered, 15 security personnel gunned down. Determined and unfazed, these brave men launching a massive combing operation in the area to flush out Maoists after holding them back for over an hour. While the fight continued, those injured in the brutal attack taken to hospitals in Raipur and Dornapal.
थोड़ा क्रिटिकल पोजीशन है, लेकिन हो जाएगा, मतलब they will come out. It will take some time.
The sinister terror plot taking shape, our Jawans reduced to mere sitting ducks.
It is the movement, it's a Naxalite movement. It has to be dealt ruthlessly, and we'll deal it.
They may talk tough for now, but a Home Ministry note accessed by Times Now shows that states were warned well in advance.
That's a general information. No, that's a general information. It is available for most forces, but that doesn't convert it into any specific actionable intelligence. This is general information. I'm sure the troops would have taken all tactical precaution.
The government was in fact anticipating a striking attack, and yet our men were left helpless in their fight against Red Terror. And a shameful blame game has already taken precedence.
The state must pull up its socks. They have not taken this seriously.
इस प्रकार की दुर्भाग्यजनक घटना तभी होते हैं जब कहीं न कहीं इस पूरी योजना में उनका जो षड्यंत्र है वो सफल हुआ.
But the bigger question is, have our politicians failed on India's biggest security challenge? Bureau Report, Times Now.